Hi there, my name is Danielle and I'm from the Vevox Customer Success team, and I'm here to show you today how you can maintain your formatting when you're creating polls that involve large portions of text or diagrams. So here is the text that I want to use for my question, and all I'm going to do is print screen and select the text that I want to use, and it will automatically save to my clipboard as an image. And when we go into Vevox and we create our new poll, I am going to select the polling type I want, insert image, and I'm going to retrieve that image from my clipboard. Hit save, and we're going to add a title and hit create. Now when we go to our present view, and here we can see it appear in the corner of the screen. Now it looks quite small, but not to worry. If I click on the image, you can see it takes up the entirety of the board. And this is incredibly helpful if you're in a lecture hall and you want to make sure that everyone has visibility. This will also appear the same way on devices, so everyone has the same accessibility. And like I said before, the same thing can be done with diagrams. If we select the area that we want to print screen for our question, insert it as an image, and then run the poll. And if we click on the image, you'll see it takes up the entirety of the screen, making it visible for any student. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe down below, and make sure to hit the bell for notifications so that you can be up to date on all of our newest uploads. See you soon. Bye.